Hello friends, hope you all are doing great and are staying safe. In this video, we'll be seeing the recipe for onion pakora, which is a perfect tea time snack during the monsoon. So let's quickly check out what are the ingredients required. So here I have about 3 medium-sized onions which I have thinly sliced. And all I'm doing here is trying to separate the layers. Next, add in finely chopped coriander, salt as per taste, and I'm adding in 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. You may add green chilies along with red chili powder, but I don't prefer that. Next, I'm adding in 4 heaped tablespoons of gram flour and 2 heaped tablespoons of rice flour. Now give all this a good mix. Initially you don't need to add any water because the salt which we added will automatically make the onion ooze out water. But later, if required, you may sprinkle some water and again mix well. Please note, you shouldn't be adding too much of gram flour. The onion layers should be just coated with gram flour. That's all we want. Now for the final secret ingredient, add in about 2 tablespoons of warm oil. This is to give the pakora an extra crispiness. Now here I have oil in a pan which is medium hot. So let's go ahead and drop small portions of the onion mixture into the oil. So we'll have to fry this until it turns golden brown and crisp. You may even fry some curry leaves in the hot oil and top it over the fried pakoras. But I didn't have any because of lockdown. So our crispy onion pakoras are ready to be served with some steaming tea. So friends, I hope you will give this onion pakora a try and enjoy during this monsoon. So friends, if you did enjoy watching this video of mine, please do give a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I'm very glad to have you here. Please do not leave without hitting on that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to stay updated of all the new videos which I post here. Until I see you all the next time, take care. Bye-bye.